Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial heading is Good Neighbors. This article is completely related to PM मोदी एंड बांग्लादेश। आप लोगों को पता है कि PM मोदी ने बांग्लादेश में विजिट किया था और उसी के रिगार्डिंग ये आर्टिकल है। ठीक, देखो क्या बोला गया है इसमें, देखते हैं हम। पीपल ऑन both sides need to be aware the sensitivities in India and Bangladesh ties too। ties का मीनिंग यहाँ पे होता है मतलब बीच का। पीपल को दोनों साइड की मतलब अवेयर होने की नीड है सेंसिटिव इंडिया और बांग्लादेश की टाइज के लिए। ठीक है, बीच के। चलिए हम आर्टिकल को डिस्कस करते हैं। 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स, बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Bangladesh to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the War of Liberation and the century year of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and his meetings with Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina showcased the deep history the two nations share, their future plans and the challenges ahead. At the events, which included an emotive ceremony in Dhaka, a cultural program, India's conferring of the Gandhi Peace Prize posthumously on Mujib, and a visit by Mr. Modi to the Bangabandhu Mujib Memorial at his hometown in Tungipara. The leaders paid homage to the nation's founders. Millions massacred by the Pakistani military regime in 1971 and those who died fighting for Bangladeshi freedom, including nearly 4,000 Indian soldiers. India's role in the creation of Bangladesh was highlighted by Ms. Hasina as she thanked India for its aid and later for providing her shelter when members of her family, including her father Mujib, were assassinated. Mr. Modi wrote in an editorial of the Hope for a Sonali Ahita Golden Chapter in South Asia that Banga Bandhu may have brought about had he not been killed. The two leaders built on their December 2020 virtual meet by bolstering plans for connectivity and infrastructure projects with a framework for cooperation on trade along with other MOUs on sports, education and disaster management. India-Bangladesh ties in the past 15 years since Ms. Hasina was elected have been marked by new areas of cooperation and an ability to resolve specific differences. Ms. Hasina's decision beginning 2009 to shut down anti-India terror camps and to hand over nearly 2 dozen of India's most wanted reversed mistrust. Mr. Modi's push to conclude the long pending land boundary agreement in 2015 and to accept an international tribunal verdict in favor of Bangladesh that resolved a 40-year-old maritime dispute built confidence as well. Other issues, if unresolved, could pose challenges. The joint statement noted the need to resolve the dispute over Tista water sharing and 6 other rivers. The problem of Bangladesh civilians being killed at the border has dented relations. The Modi government's concerns over the treatment of Hindus and impacts for the CAA were highlighted as the PM performed two temple pujas and addressed a rally of minority Matwa Hindus. The visits raised eyebrows in India as they took place even as West Bengal went to vote, but it became clear they will have repercussions in Bangladesh as well. Protests against Mr. Modi's visit turned violent, with at least 11 members of the Hafizat-e-Islam shot dead by police and reprisal violence against the Hindu minority by Islamist mobs. The events only underline the need for a deeper understanding on both sides of the sensitivities of the India Bangladesh relationship, even as its many successes are counted and celebrated. Full stop.